Hello everyone, it's Malaya here, and we're going to be learning about Papel Picado here. And so Papel Picado means perforated paper, and it's basically the Mexican folk art of folding and cutting paper into intricate designs to create banners like the one you see here. And so today we're going to make our own. For this activity, you're going to need string, a pair of scissors, glue, and of course your colorful paper. And so you can use construction paper, but it works best with tissue paper if you have that at home too. So today we're going to use orange. We'll start off with the orange. And the first thing you're going to do is fold the top of your paper down about ½ inch. So I'll show you on this side. And try to get it as lined up as possible. It doesn't have to be perfect, but the better it's lined up with each edge, the nicer the cuts will look. So after you've folded the top about ½ inch down, we're going to fold this sheet of paper in half. And then we're going to fold it in half 2 more times. And it helps me too that once I make a fold, I kind of press down on it so that the fold stays put. And then we'll fold it 1 more time. So that's a total of 3 times folded. And then we can begin our cutting. So one thing to remember is that we don't want to cut off or into the top half or the top ½ inch. And so we'll start at the bottom, and I like to make just a curved line on the bottom using the scissors like so. So we're going to start off with this curved edge. And then from here we can make designs into the side of the paper. So the side I'm going to be cutting into is the folded side, not the open side. And in order to make designs, I kind of just think of making random cuts, but we want them to not go all the way through the paper. We want them to focus on this half of the paper. So I'm going to go in and make a straight line going upward. And I think this one will be a triangle. So we'll complete the triangle. And this triangle, once we unfold it, is actually going to end up being more of a diamond, but we're thinking of the halves for now. And you can get creative with this, just cut whatever designs you'd like to cut. And the fun part about this project is that you never know what your Papel Picado is going to look like until it's unfolded. There are also methods where people use templates, and they cut into the paper using a template, but we'll learn that next time. So I've cut these designs here, and now I'm going to fold this in half and cut a few more designs just randomly, just keeping in mind not to cut into this ½ inch at the top. And this is a fun and quick activity you can do at home with just a few materials. And you can use this to decorate your room, or if you're having a party, you can decorate it there. And sometimes you might have to pull the paper out. It gets thicker the more you fold it. Okay, when you feel like you have enough little cuts, you can begin to unfold. And just be gentle and careful and make sure you don't rip your paper. And here we have our first little Papel Picado. And so now this is when we're going to turn it into a banner. So the more you have, the longer your banner will be. But I'll show you just how to attach the string to create a banner. So we're going to take our string, and you want it, for this one, we're going to have it a little bit longer than the actual Papel Picado. And then we'll open up our ½ inch at the top. Place some glue, so I'm going to do a line of glue here. And I'll do that right here. And this is just going to keep that ½ inch at the top closed, which will keep our string inside so that we can hang it. And so now that I have my line of glue, I'm going to put the string right here. So my string's here, and then you just close it up. Fold it up. And here you have your the start of your banner. So here you have your first Papel Picado. And I'm gonna do some more. Make sure you guys send me your Papel Picado banners on Instagram at pgccc_Malaya. I'll see you next time. Bye.